be here with you today on an extremely momentous occasion in the history of HCL. In so many years of creating HCL, which really goes back to 31 years, over these so many years we've created great technologies and great products and great experiences. As we come to today's discussion and presentation, this is something that we believe will change the face of the market. And here we've had tremendous support from our partners and our ecosystem, where Intel and a large amount of ecosystem partners have been very, very closely involved in creating this whole future of computing. And as we look at it, fundamentally, what is HCL all about? HCL is really all, we wrote our own software, we wrote our own operating system, everything we did on our own. So it looks a bit ungainly today as we look back, but it was a working computer. It was the first microcomputer. The next thing that we did was to bring a computer on a desktop. And this was India's first PC, so to say, but not in the full version of PC, because even till now India was closed. You could not import technology. So basically we were restricted by technology imports, and we were not allowed to import any operating system, etc. That actually happened 1 year later, and so we brought India's first PC. And then, of course, came the BusyBee. The BusyBee really changed the world in India. We were the first IBM PC compatible, and we really are so proud of this product that a lot of you must have sold this product over so many years. The product still runs as a brand in this country, while whole bunch of brands globally have been destroyed or bought out or sold. So you really feel that as an Indian company, we've been actually able. This, of course, is where all of you participate with us. We have a large retail network, we have a large direct sales organization, and the distribution reach is something that we are extremely proud of. We're extremely proud of what we have done together with our partners in India. And we believe that this future of computing that we are going to talk about today will actually enable us to get computing in the hands of the masses. And that's really what our objective is. This, of course, has to be backed up by very good service. And this has been a clear strategy in HCL. Whenever we introduce products, service has to come along with it, and service has to be. So this is something that we are very proud of, and we believe that this is something that will support our whole launch as we go forward into different areas of computing. We recently added complete remote management capability. That is, if you can make a call on a particular 24/7 helpline, and you can actually log into our remote management center, then you can actually get a lot of things fixed online. So, for example, I want seamless multimedia experience, I want longer battery life, I want a sleek product, I want working in Indian conditions, I want high efficiency. So these are the kind of needs that we have looked at and researched, and we felt it needs true internet experience, it means you have to take truly mobile and multiple navigation type of capabilities if you can provide it in your range. So this is really what we have been looking at in terms of what we would like to look at as the future of computing. Around this lies the whole definition. So let's just step back. If I look at computing, the first product was created in 1981, the desktop, the PC. That's happened in 1981. And this is something that Mr. Shiv Kumar, who is Managing Director of Intel, who is here today with us, me and him were talking about this whole idea that 81 this happened, and 85 the laptop appeared, and from then no major changes occurred in computing. If you look at the laptop or desktop or anything, no major changes. So therefore there is a place for us to play. There is a need from the market which has to meet all those needs and create screening of products. So we felt that these products must be environmentally friendly. We have these products are RoHS compliant, and that means that any material that is used is not harmful to the environment. And secondly, we have a policy by which we can take these back for recycling when we've stopped using these. So that policy of HCL of recycling these parts is also enforced as far as these products are concerned. The next one. Now this is another amazing thinking here. The thinking here was that how do we create the highest amount of bells and whistles that you can think of in a notebook. So the first thing that we looked at was that, of course, the size should remain ultra portable, very, very small size, extremely efficient display, but a very compelling experience. And I'll show you that, because this compelling experience is just marvelous in this product. And of course, the common theme of a green product which is environmentally friendly. Now when you have such great products and when you have such tremendous size that we have reduced, if you look at the paradigm that's been there in the market, in the computing market till now, if you made something smaller, it was more expensive. Even our nano desktop was expensive. If you look at around all the more compact laptops in the marketplace, they are more expensive. That's the product. It's very cheap, it's very sturdy, and you can actually carry it pretty much like a portfolio. This is our starting model, complete functionality, very light, easy to use, comes in multiple colors. It comes in a Intel processor. That is the critical part. We are not scrounging on any functionality as a result. But this product can work on Linux or on Microsoft. Now, in that product, we also have a model that can work on Microsoft if you attach a disk drive. And you can put that disk drive inside that product as well. But what we believe is that in that product, we can open up a completely new market at that price point. And that is really what we are after. We want to go and sell that into the marketplace like a phone, pretty much like functionality, which is so easy to use, and if you see it later, you will find that it's extremely simple to use. So that has been our idea, and that really has been our approach to creating these two products. So, if you see here, this is a very sturdy, reliable type of capability that we've created here. So, we've given it a special exterior so that even if the product falls, nothing will happen. And it is made so sturdy that, you know, even with rough handling, with salespeople going out, children using all these type of applications that you may come across, you will find that this will take care of this. The computer will continue to work. And the next thing is that it's been made extremely simple. It has very simple iconic stuff here with Linux, and that's what makes it very unique. And of course, this is a standard in these products, the right Intel processor. As a result of this being fully solid state, it is cool and quiet, it's energy efficient, and of course there is security and safety planned here, because you see absolutely rounded corners. This is the special design of this product. So it's extremely uniquely designed so that you can actually take it to even children to use. Now, but one key thing is that no functionality is missing. If you were to take specifications of a regular laptop, write them down and compare with this product with partners like Intel. And that's really where we are today. And this is very, very where we believe that we can completely change the way people look at computing in this country. And therefore, we believe MyLeap will change the future of computing in India. Thank you.